In this lesson, we are going to learn what is SERP page or search engine results page. In this lesson, we are going to learn what it is, what are the main elements within it, and how you can effectively use them. First, what is SERP? SERP stands for Search Engine Results Page. It is the list of results you get back in a page once you type something and press enter the search bar in search engines. Now let's take a look into the main elements in which you can typically see in a SERP page. In this lesson, I am going to use Google as an example since we found out that it is a market leader and most of our SEO efforts going to be focused on that. First element is Google Auto Suggest. This is a hidden element inside the search results page where when you type something on the search bar, Google will try to auto suggest or auto complete your search query according to the relevant keywords it has from its database or by analyzing the correlations using past user searches data. Below the search bar, you will see different tabs within the search results page. These are divided into logical groups which to make more sense for you. For example, the first tab is all, where it will show all different media content related to your search query. Images tab shows the image results for your search query. News shows the news media or press release content for your search query. Maps shows navigational or locational based results for your search query. Books shows books or educational reports related to your search query. Shopping displays shopping based ads or shopping results related to your search query. Video display video results related to your search query. And also you can see two more button below the search bar, which is tools and settings. Tools filter lets you to view the search results from a specific time frame, such as I only want to see results from past hour or past day or past week, past month, past year and more, or in custom date is also possible. Setting filter includes various settings where you can customize the search results page, such as you can set the number of results you want to see for each page, language settings for the search results page, how to view the your search history, and more options also available. The number you see below this tabs and settings screen is known as search index count for that particular search. This is an estimated number which shows roughly how many results are there in Google search index relating to the search query which you entered. The next listing element you might see is called Google AdWords listing. These are PPC advertising program run by Google where you pay them to display these ads on your targeted search query in SERP results page. This will be typically shown on the top of the page or bottom or sidebar, and also typically you would see it as marked as ad in the beginning of that snippet. You can identify it as ad. The next one is the local result snippet. This are the results when your search query brings back any relevant businesses or services from geographical area. This data comes from Google My Business listing. I will explain this in local SEO course, and typically it will show businesses and services that operate in your logical on your location, which is related to the search query which you are performing. People also section. This element shows relevant questions which gets asked on your industry related to your search query. Using big data and search engines advanced processing language on understanding the user intent, Google tried to come up with these questions for relating to your search query. These are some of the popular questions which gets asked. And when you click on this question, you will see more questions get displayed, and it will also reveal the answer with the link for the source article. The next snippet is known as Google Shopping Result or Shopping Based Ads from PPC. It is usually displayed same as PPC at the top, footer and sidebar, but you would see these kind of snippet mainly for commercial intent keyword or product keywords. Featured snippet. This element is also known as zero search place snippet, where Google tried to curate an answer, link and picture or video from a most suitable sources and displays them as a single answer at top of organic search results when it makes. You would typically see featured snippet for informational search queries. Video result snippet element will show relevant videos from video sites, primarily YouTube, but also Dailymotion and Vimeo related to your search query. These are search queries Google understand that user might be looking for a video compared to other media content, so it will feature the video snippet as a result for the search query. For example, when someone searches how to tie a tie, Google understands that okay, he is looking for an instructional video compared to reading an article, so it shows the video prominently in search pages. Image result snippet element will also show relevant images Google found which is indexed for the website for search query. Typically, when Google is unable to predict the user intent, or if it clearly found the user intent, then it will try to suggest image snippet also within their all web index results, so users can see the potential images related to their search query. Social content snippet. This is where when you type something related to social hashtag, socially popular word, key phrase, celebrity or anyone, it will try to bring up certain social messages or any data from that particular profile and display within search results pages. Often you would see Twitter related content in social media for these examples. Related searches element show. These can be found at the bottom of the search results pages. These will show related search queries for the search keyword or query you have typed. This data comes from their database processing capabilities, understanding the user intent and searches history. It will follow any person who is looking into this also type these keywords for that. Page navigation. This is a simple element which is pretty easy to understand, where Google only displays in average 10 results per page, one page. So if you want to browse more than 10 results, you can use these navigations to go through until you find what you are looking for. So in conclusion, in this lesson, I have tried to highlight the main component of search results page. Understanding these elements are key for search engine optimization in future, because in future lessons we will look at how to use each of these elements for maximum benefits for SEO and as well as for SEM.